Hey, 8-1. How are you? Good morning. I will be here. I will be here starting at 9 o'clock. I just had a meeting this morning, so I'm just coming to you a little late. So this video is just to get you started on your day. So you are officially starting your claim evidence reasoning writing for science. And so what you're going to do is you're going to have an assignment called Rocket Balloon CER. So you're going to go ahead and open that up and it is going to look like this. So you remember that demo we did when we had a balloon and I taped it to a straw on a string and it flew across the room, and we used that really to talk about Newton's third law for action reaction. So you're going to write a CER to explain why does the balloon fly to the left, right? So why does this thing fly? So your claim, right, you need to tell me what are the unbalanced forces that cause the rocket balloon to move. Okay? For your evidence, you're going to draw a force system diagram showing all the forces in the system before it moves. So you have to use your imagination here a little bit. Imagine there's a hand here holding the balloon closed, and it's still and it's not moving. Okay? Then you draw a free body diagram that shows only the forces acting on the balloon while in motion. So now the balloon is flying to the left, the air is coming out of it here, and it's moving to the left. Okay? So hopefully this evidence will probably be the easiest and most straightforward part because we've done a lot of this before. This is completely new, right? And this reasoning part is also completely new. So your reasoning is going to be really 2 paragraphs, and they're not super long paragraphs. In your first paragraph, you define what a force is, how forces work, and the forces in your system. Okay? In your second paragraph, write about the forces that affect the movement and answer the question of why it moves. You should reference Newton's first and third laws. Use your force system and free body diagrams for reference. Now, you're probably wondering, I have no idea how to do this. Well, we all have to start somewhere, so we're going to start and we're going to try. Am I grading this? No, I am not. This is the first time you are doing this. I am not grading this at all. You have some things to help you. So the first thing you have to help you is under your rocket science principles is all rocket science laws and principles are your rocket science principles. So remember everything we've been writing down, right? You can use anything in here to help you answer these questions. I also have a copy of mine in case you've missed any, so you can fill yours in. The second thing that can help you is something that's new. It's called Don't Panic CER Outline. So if I look at this, right, I have this outline to explain basically how you write one of these. What's not included here are introductory sentences, closing sentences, transitions, things that make it sound pretty. So I don't want you to worry about that. Don't stress about that. Get this down. Once you have this down, then you can add openings, closings, and transitions. If you never get openings, closings, and transitions in, that's fine. You can still get an A because this is not a writing class, it's a science class. So I want to know that you can explain this. So you can go ahead. I'm not going to read through this because you can read, but this is how I outline my claim, how I outline my first paragraph, and how I outline my second paragraph. So I want you to go ahead. I want you to try this. You can be happy while you're writing this. You can be mad while you're writing this. You can help each other out. That's totally fine. When I get back, I'll answer questions, and then we'll go through this together. I have model answers, and I'm going to post for you, and we're going to be practicing these for most of the week. So if you love writing, you're welcome. And if you hate writing, you're welcome. Okay, I'll see you very soon.